that हम पासपोर्ट सेवा एज ए एप्लीकेशन को जानते हैं, इनकम टैक्स एज ए एप्लीकेशन को जानते हैं. What is the ingredient of success to whatever success we count in these applications, because they are heavy citizen centric applications? So what was the main success parameter? If we take solid waste management as X and passport seva as Y and do a comparison, why passport seva was successful? For a very simple reason, that this as a mission brought transparency, accountability and process to the entire approach. If that is the fundamental pillar, you see citizen centric services in, let's say, issuing of birth and death certificate. 10 years back it was not an easy task. Now you get in your in your emails or in your home addresses delivered. So when we are looking to solve a particular process problem, we are not solving an innovation problem, we are solving a process problem. We need to dwell on to three pillars. One is your process transparent to the last mile, where the actual beneficiary, let's say woman in this case, is able to reap all the benefits? Is it accountable with respect to all the stakeholders, whether it is that last woman, whether it is the middlemen, whether it is the government, whether it is the citizens who are using it? And finally, is incentivization an important part of it? Because whatever you say, the motivation factor remains certain kind of incentivization, whether it is financial, whether it is creating a healthy ecosystem turnaround. So I would say that as a technologist looking from that perspective, if we are able to give that color to that problem, some solutions are anyway in the forefront.
Yes, I would love to get your thoughts on. Please go ahead.
Thanks, Dhaval. So yeah, I mean, there are some sort of such portals available. Not sure how robust they are, or how effectively they are being monitored. But there's something called a Swachhata app, which is again a mission of a part of the Swachh Bharat mission, where public grievances can be addressed. And also when Swachh Sarvekshans happen annually or biannually, there are portals available where general public sort of can vote on their satisfaction on the amenities available for the city. Then there's also a CPCB grievance addressal system, wherein you can sort of report when there's open burning in your city. And at least for Delhi, I've done that a few times, and I could see that it was addressed. But again, this is something that I tried 2-3 years back. Not sure what is its status now, but yes, we have those systems in place. Also, various state governments and cities have some of the other initiatives, like Vijayawada again has something like an online dashboard where they can track at any given point of time if there's any waste related issue, be it open burning, be it any sort of relevant issue that can be tracked down in that online dashboard. And I'm sure it's available for cities like Indore, Ahmedabad, where we do hear of such dashboards and portals. So it's there in pockets. And of course, there are central grievance addressal platforms that are available to citizens and residents. But yes, I think we definitely have to do an evaluation to it.